Hello ladies and gentlemen, Rapid Chess here. Just another quick endgame problem, endgame study. So this one is not that practical as I like it to be, but still it's valid. So what's going on here? Black has, these awful pieces over here. The knight on f7 is mate. Yeah, bishop cannot move. So Black is obviously trying to draw with stalemate, yeah, because if you start capturing the pawn, then if you give all the pawns back, then you see that it's a dead draw. I mean, you can play this move, for instance, yeah, trying to maneuver it to f7, but we give check, and there is no good option. You cannot capture, then it's a draw. If you play something like this, then again, I'm tempo up, and I mean, you can play like something like this, yeah, and it's a draw with the stalemate. So what are other options? If we play something like king to b2, yeah, again, we are not in time to do anything. b4. This is a problem. So we have to move to look for other options. So d4 or d3. So actually only d4 wins, and I'll talk about this later why it wins. Yeah, black has only legal move, and in this position we again, if you start running with the knight, yeah, it's a draw because this one is annoying. Yeah, we take and another, and we take, and it's a draw. So the right move is d4. So black plays b4, and we play king to d2. So we have two options, but the problem with knight to b2 is that after c1, the only move, we capture with any of these pieces, let's say with the knight, and b3 again puts us in a position where we are in stalemate problem. Yeah, capturing is not possible, but if you take with the king, it's draw on the spot stalemate. So these two moves are not available, so we play king to d2, forcing black to play c1 queens. And we take with the knight. And that's why d4 is actually winning and not d3, because now we have this d3 square for our knight. So black plays b3, knight to d3, b2, knight e5, and it wins. Yeah, if we play queens, then it's mate in one, and if we put the knight here, yeah, then okay, it's also a win. Yeah, no checks, and we give mate on the next move. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.